Hi guys, I'm starting a members only area of Astro Backyard on YouTube. So if you join this, you'll get exclusive videos of behind the scenes stuff behind when I'm making a video, hanging out with me in the backyard, chatting, asking questions, and I'll answer them of course. And just more kind of an inside look into my daily life really. Stuff that wouldn't make sense to put on the public YouTube channel. For the people that like to troll me with comments and say the flat earthers and stuff, but this is for the real fans of Astro Backyard that want to follow along with this journey. You can kind of see what it's like on a daily basis. Rudy's sitting on the couch looking out the window. It's actually the first day of snow at the end of the year here in 2018. I am sitting here processing an image of the Triangulum Galaxy, listening to some Skyrim ambient music. Very relaxing day. I took the day off. It's a Friday. And yeah, so this feature was just made available to me. I guess I hit the threshold on the YouTube channel to offer a members only area. It's like $4.95 a month, I think. And there's little perks like you get your own, you get badges after being a member for so long, and personalized emojis and stuff in the chat. So if you want to talk with me more and find out some more information kind of one-to-one, this is probably the best way to do it. So I hope you join the Astro Backyard members only area. I'll let you know in the community tab a day before I go live with anything, so you're all set and ready to go. Anyways, I hope you join me. Thanks a lot, guys.